I will draw the diagram I wanted to explain. So let me stick onto the diagram. So there are two objects are there. The eye is able to just, so let me take this as alpha. H naught 0.22 millimeter. Now, when the first sentence, when I read no, I'm able to write this much here. So the eye can distinguish between 2 points of an object if they are separated by more than 0.2 millimeter. When the object is placed at 25 centimeter from the eye, then what is the angle subtended by that objects at eye? Let it be alpha. There's the thing. So what we can say, what this eye will comment, eye is able to, eye is just able to see it, able to see. There's the initial thing. Now, the object is now seen by a compound microscope having a 20D objective and 10D eyepiece separated by a distance of 20 centimeter. Now, if I bring, now say with normal eye only, I'm able to see it. If I bring compound microscope, I'll be very happily, I can see it, no? So shall I say it will, the eye will see still more clearly. It will see it still more clearly. Let me go for the distance between objects will not change. Don't change this distance. This is as it is. The distance between 2 points on object, it will not change. It will remain as it is. H naught, I'll write it. Then we have here the microscope. F naught Fe. So this is the I is present here, no? What will be the comment here? The I will see it still more clearly, no? The I will see it still more clearly. What about the shall we call this as beta? Or only till it's sufficient? Now, what is this? The object is, when the object is placed 25 cm from there, the object is now separated by a distance of 20 centimeter. The final image is formed at 20 from the eye. What is the minimum separation between the 2 points? I think this is not the thing. So the image is formed at a distance of, you can say that 25 centimeter. So what is the comment will be from the eye? I sees I will see it more clearly. That's all, no? Any reason for that? The beta will be more, no? So how do you can say, so first we'll calculate the magnifying power. Magnifying power. So that should be equal to, what is the length he has given? So some 20 centimeters somewhere I see, no? separated by distance, and then length of the, this will be length by f naught 1 plus d by fe. I think this is a one general formula what we'll be using here. The object is now seen by a compound microscope having 20D objective and 10D eyepiece, separated by distance of 20 centimeter. What is the L is the length of the tube. For compound microscope, now in the applications, we use this particular formula. Just be careful. Huh? We don't use V naught, U naught. I think the one formula we have, no, V naught, U naught, 1 plus D by Fe, that is being replaced by this one. What is L? L is the length of the tube. If you look at almost any book, no, in the applications, when we go for it, no, so the instead of V naught by U naught, can you remember? I think the formula is like this, no, V naught by U naught. Instead V naught by U naught, it is being replaced by this suitable one. So there is a practice what they have made it. So we'll stick on to this one also. Anybody? M? Let me substitute 20. This is 5. F naught is how much?
$14, sir.
You get total 14, huh?
Yes, sir.
14 centimeter. How much F naught? How much F is how much given? Oh. F naught how much given? Compound
I, sir.
Okay, there's a okay, that's one. F is how much? F is 10, huh? Oh, there's a diopter, no, I feel. Diopter, what is that? One diopter per meter, no, it is 20. This will be, okay, fine. F naught will be 5, huh? F naught will be 5, Fe will be 10. Okay, no, length of the tube, so they should be equal to given 27. M is 14, huh? Okay, now we'll see that. What is the beta? Just we'll calculate beta. So M is equal to beta by alpha, beta equal to M into alpha. 14 into, what is alpha? So alpha will be tan alpha. Alpha will be very small, 0.22 millimeter by okay, this one. So definitely from this, what we can see, not needed in the problem. I'm just telling that one. So why I will say that I'm able to see it clearly, because now what will happen? It will subtend more angle. More angle means it will be more clearer. What happened? I'll be able to see it. The initial background are not needed. I just wanted to explain the problem. I brought it here. Now let's get into the next part of this one. The initial, all this discussion. Now, at what distance, what is the minimum separation between 2 points, the object which can now be distinguished? Now there's a telescope. The eye cannot see it with human eye, we cannot see it, but using particular compound microscope, I'm able to see it. There's a condition it is given. So the objects are like this. Now this, let me call alpha dash. This is some h naught dash, I'll call it. Separated by distance of 20 centimeter. So what I will say, I'm unable to see it. I cannot resolve. I'll put it here. Means it will say only one object. There are in fact two objects are there. It will say only, it cannot resolve. Now what will happen? The same thing. So when I bring this telescope, I'll give in the end one simple formula. It will really help you very easily.
Sir, how did he get alpha is equal to 0.22 by 25?
Tan
He
alpha.
asked for h naught now, sir.
No, I didn't solve this. Only for to say that in the second
Yes, sir.
diagram, if I put microscope, no, I can see still more clearly. That's why I wrote B is greater than alpha. Okay, there's a microscope. The same microscope. It is there. So this is F naught. This is Fe. Now the I is placed here. No. So this will beta dash. This will be HI dash. So this will be HO dash. So now I is just able to resolve. So here magnification, how you write it? Beta dash by alpha dash. So what is alpha dash is equal to beta dash by magnifying power. Then this is again will be at 25 centimeter. This will be so. So now looking at the diagram, what is alpha dash? You can write it as HO dash by 20 and beta dash 20 centimeter. No, I cannot see 20 centimeter. The final image is formed from the eye. What is the minimum separation between the 2 points? Okay, now this HO dash has to be determined. Okay, clear this one. So from that alpha dash, I'll write HO by 20. Beta dash is what? I'll write HI by 25. And we know already M. Is it beta dash? Shall we write equal to alpha? I is just able to see, no? So the beta dash should be equal to, is the alpha is what? I'll write it. So what is alpha dash? Alpha dash HO by 20. Alpha is HO by alpha dash is HO by 20. 25, no? I think
25.
25, sorry, here is what I'm doing mistake. Symbol. put it now. So this will be 25. So this will be HO dash, no? HO dash it is. So HO dash equal to HO by M. I think some symbols little bit. Okay, no, I'll put everything in order, no? Later on, I'll give you one formula. Directly in exam, you have to use that formula. This I want just first time, no, I wanted to select. Now I kept at 0.22 millimeter. The eye is able to see the eye will say that I'm able to see 2 points of an object very clearly. Okay, got this one. And now if I bring microscope here with the same HO, then with microscope, through microscope, what I will say, I will see still more clearly this one. Now I'll keep on decrease the distance between the 2 point objects. Then at one point, so with microscope present here only, I'll keep on decrease. Then at one point, what the eye says, I'm just able to see. If I further decrease distance, the eye will say that though I'm using microscope, I am able to see it. That's what the thing. Then if I remove microscope, then what I say, I will not at all see that one. I cannot resolve. It says that I'm seeing only one object. I'm unable to see 2 points on that given object here. He's asking what is that HO dash with microscope. Even with microscope, you are able to just resolve. So that we are finding out this one. So that 20 centimeter is what I think where it is. I'm not seeing. This eye. So this one separated by distance of the object and eyepiece are separated by 20 centimeter. This is the thing. This L, I'll write it here. So this is the HO dash equal to HO by M. So you can, with microscope, you can move still more nearer or pen S. Then you are able to see what is the least distance with which with microscope you can able to resolve. That's what it's telling. So what is actually, there's everything. So if you go for the microscope formula, just in a nutshell, no, 25 centimeter, initially theta naught. There's a distance of separation D1. Then finally, when separation is theta I, so what do you write this one? Magnifying power equal to theta naught by theta I will come. What is theta naught? Angle subtended by the object at the eye. So when object distance between the object is D1, I'm able to resolve. Then with the microscope, if I bring it, then what is the distance between the objects where I'm able to resolve? That is what the angle subtended, let it be theta I. The reverse you have to take it, theta naught by theta I, not theta I by theta naught. So usually magnifying power, how you write? Angle subtended by the image at the eye to the angle subtended by the object without instrument, at the eye without instrument. So when you are bringing resolving power, no, what is the least separation D2? In that case, we do write like this here. Okay, I think directly you can start from here. You'll get very easily the answer. That resolving power and the compound microscope. Just I brought one for question like this. I think this is something very important, magnifying power. The length of the tube is what will be used in these particular cases, compound microscope, the formula. I think we never used a condition like this.